Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to prepare a column chart in Excel. Charts help you see your data visually so you can understand it quickly. Instead of reading long numbers, a chart show you the information in a picture. Let's understand by taking an example. Suppose you run a small preschool and want to compare number of admission in each class. So let's prepare a small column chart. First step, select the data, go to insert menu, select this option. If you click this, you have a lot of charts, but I'm preparing column chart. Once you click, a column chart will show three vertical bars with different heights. 1, 2, 3. Higher bar equal to more student. See, LKG having more student. Why we are using? Easy to compare. Which class has more or less students? Good for showing growth, performance, or counts. Hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you.